Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on your Gigabyte motherboard. If you are planning to install Windows 11 in your system, you need to enable this TPM 2.0 in your motherboard first. So to do that, reboot your system and repeatedly press on the delete button on your keyboard as your system is booting up until you get to this BIOS screen. Now navigate to peripherals using the arrow keys on your keyboard. And when you get from here, the first option you should see is FTPM, and it is disabled. Now we need to enable this one. So just press on enter on your keyboard and choose enable. After that, press enter again. And that's it. Now TPM 2.0 is enabled. Now use your arrow keys again to navigate to save and exit. Press enter and click on yes. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.